Alright guys, Josh Techgamer back again with another unboxing video. We are doing an unboxing video on the new LaterCase by Unbox Theory. Now this is a carbon fiber Kevlar case, so this is going to be a pretty thin case, but it's going to have that like carbon fiber look and everything. So yeah, so we're going to do an unboxing on this. It's going to be a little fast video. I'm not going to make this super long. If you guys want to check out this case, it is kind of pricey. Right now it is retailing for 40 bucks. I'll put down the description below where you can find this case. Now there was a lot of things about it being Bataka case and Lou copying from them and blah blah blah. There's a lot of BS about that. I'm not going to get into that. I just want to see if this case is really worth 40 bucks and if it's a good case. If you guys don't like thin cases, if you guys drop your phone a lot and you want protection, I don't recommend this case. If you want a sleek design that's carbon fiber look, that has a nice feel, and it's easy to take out of the pocket, that's what he says, check this case out. And yeah. So let's do the unboxing. And real quick before I start the video, I want to give a shout out to Paul Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and check out his channel. He does like cell phone stuff, unboxings mostly on phones, cases and everything. I know he's going to be watching this video, so thanks Paul for the support. Go check out his channel. Don't forget to subscribe to me and like my videos and stuff, so that helps out a lot. So yeah, so we're going to do an unboxing from a different view and see if this case is worth it. Maybe I'll do a review like in a week and see how it's holding up and everything. So I did watch a lot of YouTubers, like smaller YouTubers, do unboxings on this, kind of get an idea. So the case is 0.6 millimeters thin, super thin. So he made this case design because he wanted something simple, and you know, for his environment, he's not working outside, he's inside, so it just depends on your environment or what you're doing, what kind of case you want to use. So yeah, you could always switch it out and use it anytime you want. If you want to go out and it's not like, you know, you just want to snap something on nice and, you know, suitable for the case. So yeah, so I've been wanting to get it, and I finally got one. They didn't have my phone, so I did vote for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Enough people voted, and he made one for the OnePlus 7 Pro. And there was Galaxy and iPhone. He has those. So if you guys want to check it out, and also it is free shipping. There's no shipping whatsoever, because he could have charged 10 or 20 bucks more for shipping. And honestly, I don't think people would buy it, but free shipping, 5 business days. So yeah, so it does come to USPS mail. So just letting you guys know. So yeah, so let's do the unboxing and check it out. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the box. I did do the unboxing. For some reason the audio was bad, so the plastic inside was actually already taken out. So let's do it again. So yeah, this is all coming in plastic, so if you guys are asking. It does come with this little microfiber towel. Take it out of the box. Bam. It's just pretty simple. Now this is for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Like this is my phone. Open it up. Bam. It's right there. So I'm gonna keep the case. There's nothing on the case. That's okay. I'm okay with that. It's pretty simple. Thin. 0.6 millimeters thin. Ultra thin. If you guys don't like thin cases, I definitely don't recommend this. Definitely has a great feel. Feels great. Feels good in the hand. If you guys hear noise in the background, it's the dryer. Yeah, so I mean, it looks really good. I don't like brands on it. I don't like the name on it. It's just plain. Here's the case that I'm using. It's a bulky case. It is hard to take out of my pocket. I have trouble with it. It does protect the phone. And this is the thing is, you want something to protect your phone, I don't recommend this case. But you could always switch it out. You could always switch it out and then, you know, get all those fingerprints off. And let's just snap it on. Whew. Just like that. It's plain and simple, easy. I'm looking at the dot, that's why I'm like lighting it up. Looks great. It's got the cutouts, 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 and cutouts. Guys, seriously, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, if you want a thin case and you want to like look for style. Now, if you did drop this, it would be okay if you hit the corners. But if you kind of landed on here, you're kind of screwed because it is kind of like really right on the edge, So there's not a lot of protection. Does grip. People say it does get fingerprints and oils. We'll find out in a week when I do a review. So, I mean, the box is pretty simple. I am going to keep the box just to have it. So if I want to put the case back in it. People weren't too happy about nothing inside the box, a thank you card, or, honestly, I'm okay with it. I don't really need all that. I really like it, honestly. It feels really good in the hand. You guys can kind of see. It just looks, yeah. This is real carbon fiber. I could definitely, this is definitely not a phony baloney. This is not plastic with D-brand skins on it. But I can imagine if you're like eating and your hands are really greasy, then you touch the phone. Yeah, I could see it probably picking it up. I don't know. Can you wash it off? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. He did say it's dust proof. I don't really think it's, we'll see. I mean, it's pretty tight around the corners, so will it keep dust off the phone? Or I should say out of the phone. Guess we'll find out. That's what it looks like now. And then snap it on. It did take a few times to snap it on. It is really easy to snap on. Also, the camera this part is raised up a little bit. So this camera is the bumper part is raised up a little bit. So it gives that extra it gives that extra protection. So when it's on the ground, it's on here. It does wobble a little bit, but it's not a big deal. So it's not laying flat on the camera. So I'm liking that. So all right, guys, there it is. Let me know what you guys think. 40 bucks. Is it really worth it? Let me know in the comments. Let's get back. People didn't like the case with nothing on it, like nothing inside of it. Honestly, I'm okay with that. It didn't really bother me. Just open it up, get straight to the product. That's all you want. Maybe some people want that and stuff, but I'm okay with that. So anyways, guys, this case looks great. I'm really liking this carbon fiber case. Now, it feels really good in the hand. It does have a little grip to it, so you don't have to worry about being too slippery. Now, with this case off, this phone, the OnePlus 7 Pro is very slippery. So having that case on. Now, people say fingerprints and grease will get on the case. I don't know if that will happen. So I guess in 1 week when we do the review, see if it holds up. Now, if you guys don't like thin cases like this and you want extra protection, I do not recommend buying this case. It is 40 bucks. Like I said, it is a little pricey. Actually, it's 45, but he knocks off 5, so it's 40, and it's free shipping. I really like that, honestly, because a lot of places, a lot of companies will charge extra for shipping. I notice sometimes when I go to Amazon, I buy a product, it's cheap, and then I look at the shipping, it's like $25 more for shipping. So they get you there. So, I mean, 40 bucks. He did do a thing in December where you got like 35, so you actually saved even more, maybe 30, I believe. So these cases only been out for several months. He is going to do more changes. He's talking about it. If you guys want to check out the website, I'll put down the description below the website. So yeah, I really like it. It just feels really good. I'm going to rock it out for a good week. We'll come back. We'll take it off, actually, and I won't dust it. And I'll actually show you how much dust is underneath it if there's a lot of dust, because it's in your pocket, and that's where they get the most lint from your pockets and stuff. People think it's actually protected, but there's mostly dust in your pockets, and then that's why you get all that lint and dirt and dust. Now, if you do drop it on the edges, if it hits these corners, they are protected. But if you do hit the screen, you're pretty much screwed. So if you got fumble hands and you just don't like thin cases, 0.6 millimeters thin. I will keep my old case. That is pretty thin. I will keep my old case as a backup. Maybe if I, but I am going to use this good case for a good while, a good week, just to check it out. Also, it comes with this nice little microfiber towel. I mean, it's not real. It feels like more like a silk, but it works. It works. It works just as good. Yeah, so it works. Alright guys, that's about it. Short little video, not a whole lot to get depth into this case. So if you guys think it's way too much or too less or not enough, or guys, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you guys think of this case. Is it worth 40 bucks? Don't forget to subscribe to Paul Tech. Thanks for watching, Josh Techgamer, and I'll check you guys later.